In this video, we're going to show how to integrate Dynamics 365 BC with Liaison Messenger EDD. Before we get started, there are a few requirements. First, we need a Microsoft Outlook client specifically for the Liaison Messenger server. This will serve as an unattended recipient for the cloud printer. Next, we need a dedicated email address for the Messenger server. This will act as a constant recipient of the cloud printer. Lastly, we need to enable the Send to Email Printer option. You can do this by typing extensions in the search bar, select Extension Management, and then find and install the Send to Email Printer. Once the requirements are fulfilled, we can go into the printer management settings and create our cloud printer named Liaison Messenger EDD. Then you want to input the dedicated email address under the printer email address setting, and it's also important to note under the email subject that you have Liaison Q1 file entered. This is how Messenger will identify your business form for processing and archiving. If we jump back over to the Messenger EDD server, underneath the Task Manager, we can find our script, the Microsoft Dynamics 365 BC. This will automatically be created once you install Messenger EDD. The script is needed to monitor the Outlook inbox for the business forms and reports sent from Dynamics 365. Now when you go to process a batch of invoices, make sure you have the Liaison Messenger EDD printer selected, as this will reroute your documents and forms to the dedicated email address. Shortly after printing, your documents will arrive in the Outlook inbox, and Messenger can automatically print to local printers, email, or fax the forms to respective customers, vendors, and/or employees. If you have any questions, you can reach us at support@liaisonsc.com, or you can give us a call at 714-543-9877. Thanks for watching.